Oh. Yeah, this is super crispy. Oh, damn.
These look really crispy compared to the first See the crispiness? They all sound pretty crispy. Fuck that sound. Damn.
Sounds good. Yeah.
That's interesting.
Very crispy. Oh. I feel like the crispiness of this and this is a bit different. This texture, this one feels like your Vietnamese fried chicken more, whereas this one, I feel like this feels more, I don't know, like a more typical fried chicken, I guess. Maybe more like Korean fried chicken that you have at the restaurant. Yeah, but this feels more like yeah, your Vietnamese fried chicken. This is crispier though, I would say.
Crispy, yeah.
Because maybe the butter is thicker as well.
Okay.
This is a bit lighter, but still crispy.
Yeah.
crispy, but comparing to these two,
Let's see more
I like
crispy.
these two better. Okay. This feels crispier than this for some reason.
Yeah. Utilizing the skin.
The texture of the second one, yeah, just typical fried chicken that you get at a restaurant, I feel.
Interesting.
Yeah. I feel like you rarely see that kind of texture. Or maybe I'm not very experienced. This is like the first time I see, like, when you cook your Vietnamese fried chicken, that was like the first time.
Interesting. Oh shit.
Yeah, it's crispy. Whoa. This does look like it's
Wait, let me-
a bit more crispy.
Yeah.
This one looks good.
It looks like crispy pork belly skin.
Yeah.
The shell of it.
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, this is super crispy. Oh damn.
Final verdict.
Wow. I like the third one.
First one?
Because it's lighter. But that's my personal opinion because I don't like things that's too heavy.
Yeah.
Because it can be quite sickening, you know?
Yeah, definitely. In terms of crispiness, which one's the most crispy?
Oh, that's hard. I would say probably like the second one.
Interesting.